Welcome to the topic on error handling and retries with RxJS. 1. Error handling with RxJS. RxJS provides operators like catchError and retry that help in handling errors when working with observables. These operators allow us to gracefully handle errors and take appropriate actions in case of failures. 2. Retrying failed observables. Sometimes, HTTP requests or observables may fail due to temporary network issues or server unavailability. In such cases, we can use the retry operator to automatically retry failed observables for a certain number of attempts. 3. Custom error handling strategy. RxJS allows us to implement custom error handling strategies based on specific application requirements. We can use a combination of operators like retry, catchError, and finalize to define how to handle different types of errors. Summary. In this topic, we explored error handling and retry strategies using RxJS. By implementing custom error handling and retries, you can build more resilient and responsive Angular applications. As you continue your journey in Angular development, mastering error handling and retries will ensure your applications can gracefully recover from failures and provide an enhanced user experience.